yourself. You just want to.
It's a funny buzz. Yeah, my buzz. Oh, buzz. What you doing today, buddy? What are you gonna do? I'm at work. Of course I'm ready. I have to take this to a student. He's gonna be alone all day. Yeah. Mama said you've been looking unruly today. She said I need to groom you. She said you've been all kinds of fuzzy fuzz. Well, I guess what I have to say to that? I'm going reverse fuzz. Yes. Reverse fuzz activated. Reverse fuzz mode activated. Yeah. No, he don't like that. No, he doesn't. Hey, don't show me your third eye. It's not nice. You're on camera right now, buddy. It's okay. Just stop it, itch.
He wants to tell you how he feels about yourself.
Smile and wave, boy. Smile and wave. Okay, I'll fix it. Buddy. Yeah. Okay. You want some turkey jerk? Too bad I ain't making no sandwiches today, buddy. I ain't making no sandwiches. Ain't no biting. No, not nice. Not nice. Say bye to the camera.